Okay, what's this? It says K model pivot. What the hell that is? Here's the K model part. Buying any K model parts. Ooh, Harley box. A brand new Harley box. Genuine. That's a genuine Harley box. That's 40s and 50s box. And 30s, later 30s. This part is made, proper, made to fit something. Perfect. Guaranteed satisfaction. Hardly guaranteed their parts fit. Oh, that'll be a new something new. They don't do that no more. What do we got in here? Ooh. Front axle sleeve. Military. It's missing the cork that goes out here and the cover that goes over it. It's missing a couple parts. So this is the front axle wheel. It's like a bicycle that had loose ball bearings that went in here. On this side here and this side over here. This is on backwards. And they had this went together. So this goes back to, I think, 26, 28, 28 probably. I think 28 is first you had a front brake on a Harley. That was on the single cylinder bikes. They ran it on these. This part here is a little different though. The nut looked like had like the seal in here like this. There's a spring-loaded seal that goes in. There's a little spring clip that goes in here, and that's actually the seal, the little spring clip. Not much of a seal. So you put the ball bearings in here and you adjust the axle torque to what you want it to be, or the end play, and then you lock it down, kind of like a car. It's got a lock tab on it out here. Keeps it from rotating. Still got a little bit of cosmoline on there, still a little bit. You notice I'm not touching the bare metal to keep it from rusting. It goes like that. So once you get adjusted your end play, you take the lock tab, you slip it down over that, and it lines up on that. See how it doesn't line up there? Flip it over. And see, it makes no difference. So you had to lock it, you had to bump it up. You had to bump it back a little bit. See how it locks it? And this is the jam nut that goes on to hold it. Goes down like that. And you lock it down. And if you want to fold one of them tabs down there, you probably could, but that's not, I don't think they're really used for that. I think they're strictly for locking this end so it doesn't rotate. Like there's supposed to be a cork seal, or a felt seal that goes around here, kind of like what they use in the Star hubs. And then it had a little cover that went over it to hold the seal in there. That's what this one's supposed to have on it. This part goes way back. This here is, I think they did this in 42, I think. Something like that, they went to the style. So, anyway, there you go. That's for the solo bike. So, early 40s to the 52 when they quit using them. So, there you go. Big axle goes through it. 3/8. Not very big. Yeah, nice part. I like that. Just gotta get the rest of the parts now. Alright, that's it.